Hey there, classic car enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the world of restoration and preserve the authenticity of your beloved vintage ride? Let's roll up our sleeves and discover some awesome restoration tips. Tip 1. Research, research, research. Before diving into the restoration process, do your homework. Research the original specs, features, and finishes of your classic car. The more you know, the better you can preserve its authentic charm. Tip 2. Embrace the patina. Don't be too quick to strip away all signs of age. Embracing the original patina can add character and tell the story of your classic car's journey through time. A little imperfection can go a long way. Tip 3. Salvage and restore original parts. Whenever possible, salvage and restore the original parts of your vintage beauty. It's like giving them a new lease on life, preserving the authenticity and historical value of your classic car. Tip 4. Attention to detail. Pay close attention to the small details that make your classic car unique. From period-correct decals to original badges and emblems, these subtle touches will enhance the authenticity of your restoration. Tip 5. Document your journey. Take plenty of photos and document the restoration process. Not only is it fun to look back on, but it also helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss any important steps along the way. Tip 6. Seek professional help. When in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to experienced professionals in the classic car restoration community. They have the knowledge and expertise to guide you in preserving the authenticity of your vintage gem. So, fellow classic car enthusiasts, get ready to restore your ride with passion and preserve its authentic charm. Research, embrace patina, salvage original parts, pay attention to detail, document your journey, and seek professional guidance when needed. Let's keep the spirit of classic cars alive and roaring on the roads!